New to this channel, welcome. You see the title. I am super excited to show you guys this video because honestly, I wasn't even supposed to make a product research video today, but I woke up this morning, I had some coffee and I was like, you know what, let me do a little bit of product research, okay? Let me do a little bit of product research, and I was feeling pretty good, and then I came across this product in literally 5 minutes, like 5 minutes within, it might have been like 6 minutes, I'm not sure, but it was so fast. I found this product and it was literally doing $39,000 a month. If you round it up, it's doing about $40,000 a month. Absolutely insane viable product, and I'm going to be showing you guys in this video today how I did it and how you can too. I actually made a video on it right here, and it was my second YouTube video, and I kind of went over it a little bit about the technique. It's my favorite technique to find a product because it's a technique that a lot of people don't know about, so that's good for everyone out there. And I want to show you guys in a way where it's a little bit more specific. I think the last time that the last time I showed it to you guys, I wasn't as specific. It was my second YouTube video, so I was kind of like all over the place. But this time I'm gonna go a little bit deeper, and I'm gonna show you how I did it and how you can too. All right, guys. So without further ado, I'll see you guys inside. All right, guys. So let us get into this. So, like I said earlier during the video, I had a video. It was my second video on YouTube, and it's a video that kind of is my biggest video. It has almost 4,000 views, and it was my second video on YouTube. So it just comes to show how many people actually have benefited from it. And I hope that especially if you haven't learned this technique, I want you to learn it because it's so powerful. And if you have already, great. Get into this video a little bit more, digest a little bit what I'm about to say, so maybe you find out something that you didn't know before, and that will help you now. Alright guys, so let's get into this. So the first thing that we need is Merchant Words, okay? Merchant Words is a search database tool that we use to search for Amazon's database for how many their search volume is, what the search volume is for particular keywords. So for example, if like baby wedge is being searched 100,000 times on Amazon, it will show us in Merchant Words. So it's a search database tool, absolutely powerful. Okay, so Merchant Words is normally $30 a month for the United States, but I actually partnered with Merchant Words to get you guys a freaking huge discount. I think it's like 70%, and you could get it for $9 a month. No, I am not an affiliate for Merchant Words. This is I purely contacted them and created a partnership just so I could save you guys money. I don't make any money from this. I even emailed them and I was like, hey, how many people have actually purchased Merchant Words through this through my our partnership? And they wouldn't even tell me how many people purchased. So I just did this just for you guys, okay? So $9 a month, it's so powerful. If you don't want to use it after like 5 days, you can always cancel. It's only $9, but at least I saved you guys some money. All right, guys. So what we want to do is we want to use Merchant Words to search products that have potentially high search volumes on Amazon, but also that are low competition, which is good so that you know that we can enter and possibly compete and make profit and make revenue from that product. Okay, so for example, I want to show you guys what I looked at this morning, so to give you an idea of how I found this product so fast. I went on Merchant Words this morning and I was like I told you guys, this is my favorite product research technique. So I went on Merchant Words and I searched up organizer, because the reason why I searched up organizer is because you think about things like makeup organizer or desk organizer or shoe organizer, and like these products could roughly be a little over $15, $20, so it made sense. You can do something like like I did last time. You could search up baby, and what will do is you'll get a ton of these. Actually, let me go and sign in first. Alright, and so we're gonna search up baby, okay? So search up baby, alright, and we'll get all of these like keywords or key terms on Amazon and it'll show us right here in the middle the estimated monthly search volume. So baby monitor, for example, is getting searched $1.2 million on Amazon, so we know there's a demand. Okay, you guys should be like searching, like looking at all of these products right here and looking at like baby swing set and throwing that up on Amazon and seeing if it will potentially bring up a product catalog that you can potentially get into. Okay, so but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how I did it. Okay, so like I said, I went on Merchant Words and I searched up organizer. Okay, so I searched up organizer, and so I'm going to start from the top. Obviously, makeup organizer seems like an extremely competitive competitive product, but let's go ahead and look at it anyway, just for example purposes. So what you want to do is category, sorry, competitive product. But let's go ahead and look at it anyway, just for you know, example purposes. So what you want to do is you want to take up Makeup Organizer, copy that. It has 3 million monthly search volume, which is insane. We're gonna go on Amazon. We're gonna search that up, and then we're gonna go and run Jungle Scout, the Chrome extension on the product catalog. So yes, you will need the Chrome extension for this product research, all right, technique. And you'll see here, like, yeah, it's pretty damn competitive. Yeah, there's people here doing you know, $18,000 a month with 32 reviews, but the barrier for entry is really high. You see there's 6,000 reviews, 2,000, 1,000, 1,200. So, you know, we can say no to that product, okay? And then obviously we have like a closet organizer. So what we'll do is we'll take this product, for example, throw that into Amazon search bar, and then we're gonna go and search it. All right, and then now we're going to look, and we're like, okay, like this is really competitive. So obviously the products up here are going to be a little bit competitive, but you still want to go through it, okay? So don't neglect the products or the keywords that are up here. And I want to show you guys what I did. So I was looking down, you know, it took me a couple minutes, and then I got to right over here. So I searched up wall organizer, and it had 144,000 monthly search volume. I copied that, put that on here, went onto Amazon search bar, pasted that, run Jungle Scout on it, and check this out, guys. Absolutely insane. So this product right here, I searched, is about doing 36,000, doing about $40,000. I know I probably said 39,000 earlier during the video. It's actually 36,000. I apologize. It's doing $37,000 a month on Amazon, and it only has 11 reviews. Look at this catalog, guys. Like, $18,000 of revenue for 94 reviews, 3,000 right here, 11. There's 5,000 for 41 reviews. Like, look, the list goes on. Okay, this is absolutely great because look at the price of these products. It's about $23.16. There's a little bit one that's here a little bit more expensive. But the thing is with this product right here is that it's a little bit rustic. Like, it has this rustic look, and we want something more like professional, like this. So what we can do is we can go ahead and click on the left side of the number, overlap it, and then just click X. We can just remove that. But look at these products. This is doing, you know, $5,000 a month in revenue. It has 3 reviews. This has, well, this is not the kind we're looking for. This is kind of like for letters and stuff. We're looking for like something metal, something like this. All right, absolutely insane. Like, just look at this. This is doing $7,000 a month in revenue. It only has 1 review. How is that even possible? This is doing 4,000 and doesn't even have any reviews. So absolutely insane. Like, let's just go to the next page just to see if the market is pretty stable. I always recommend looking at the second. Look at the second page, guys. Absolutely insane. $600 to $800, and it only has 4 reviews. You know, how would you guys like to do $7,000 in revenue and only have 4 reviews, and you're not even on the front page, you're on the second page? So I always tell my students, and I always tell everybody else, you know, even if a product is competitive on the front page, just open up the second page, click extract next page, and look at the second page. If the market is still stable, you know, there's a chance that you can still get into the second page and make revenue. You always want to make sure you check the second page. You want to gauge the entire market. You don't want to just throw it out the window. But let's go ahead and look at this product that we were just looking at. Okay, so this product right here has 11 reviews and is doing $37,000 a month. Absolutely insane. So what we're going to do is we're going to check the profit margin. Okay, so the way we're going to do this is, number one, I want you guys can download this. Is completely free. It's called the Amazon FBA calculator. It makes it a lot easier than going on the website Amazon FBA. the FBA calculator on Amazon. You just have an app, or a Chrome app that you can open. All right. So the first thing that we're going to need to do is we're going to need to know how much the product costs. Okay. So let's just go on Alibaba real quick. All right. Let's go and search up wall organizer. We're going to see how much it costs to manufacture how much it's going to cost to have it manufactured. Make sure we have trade assurance on, and make sure we have gold supplier on. Okay, so let's go ahead and go down, and we're going to find. What is this looking? So it's like a metal bracket with shelves on it, and it's a little organizer. So let's go ahead and go down. Let's go ahead and find it. So far, all I see is like these, you know, these fabrics that we don't want. Let's go down a little bit more. Let's go wall organizer office. Let's just go ahead and check that out. Maybe that might come up. So you guys can see how powerful this technique is. If I can find the product, that would be great. Let's go search up wall. Let's see. What does it say? Wall file holder. Okay, let's just search up wall file organizer. Why don't we do that? Okay, perfect. So right here. Perfect. Okay, so we found a product. All right, so it looks essentially the same. All right, so it's about $5 to $8 a piece on Amazon. All right, if they say $5 to $8, I could get it for $5. If you watch my other videos, I show you how to negotiate with suppliers. Getting it for $5 is not a big deal. But let's just say that you get it for like, what was it, 5 to 8? Let's just say you get it for $7. Okay, we're gonna input it into the product calculator here. $7. Okay, and our profit margin is going to be about $6 to $7 per unit. This will take into account all the, you know, the monthly fees, the referral fees. It's going to take into account the FBA fees. So we're in it for about $7 a unit. But we're making this product is making about 10,000 estimated profit a month. Let's say we get this product for $5. Okay, you would be doing $12,000 a month profit. That's absolutely crazy. Like, let's say you just let's just say you got the product, whatever, you suck at negotiating and you got it for the highest price they're offering, which is $8, or they're giving it to you for. That's still $8,000 a month in profit, and that's just from one product. All right, guys. Let's say you're not even doing half the sales that this person is doing. You would still be making $4,000 a month in profit from one product. Like, that is absolutely crazy. Okay, so let's just go back to Merchant Words. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the product research technique because this is about you guys. This is about showing you guys how you can do it too. This isn't about, you know, anything other than that. So that's the reason why I made this channel, so I could save you guys time. All right, I'm not trying to be like those other YouTubers who just brag about how much like they made and like, I made this much, I made this much. Like, I've made my money, and I want to show you guys how that you can do it too. Like, I want to show you guys the how-to. All right, so let's get into it. So, storage organizer, kitchen organizer, plastic organizer, like, it just goes on and on. You guys should be searching this, like, taking 30 minutes out of your day and just going down this list and searching as many keywords as possible. Okay, so another one that you can do is let me explain this to you guys real quick. When you guys are searching on Merchant Words, use something that's a little bit broad. Don't use something that's too specific, okay? Like, for example, like I use the word organizer because Amazon's going to, Merchant Words is going to show us all of these search words that have the word organizer in them. For example, like drawer organizer or nail polish organizer. So if you did something like let's say you want to search a bath, okay? So search a bath, and then what we're going to do is we're going to get all of these search words that have bath in it. So like bath bombs, bath mat, okay, bath rug, you know, bathing suit cover. Like, I don't even know what those are, but you guys could see, like, let's say if you're in the baby niche, we've done this in the past, search at baby on Merchant Words, and what we're going to do is we're going to look at all of these products. Like, look at this, baby diaper bag. It has 21,000 in search volume. It's absolutely crazy. Like, you know, baby powder, baby toy, you know, the list goes on and on and on. Like here, like baby car seat, obviously that's probably going to be competitive, but you guys get the point. Like, search up, you know, search up a broad word. Let's say you want to do something like something for tables. Let's do a table, okay? Table. Search up table. Something super random. God, just open up a dictionary, okay? Open up a damn dictionary and look for words that you know that are product based that you can search. Massage table. It's probably going to be really expensive, but if that's doing good, you guys can try it out. You know, let's see, table saw, pub table, periodic table. God, there's just so much here. Like, look at this, guys. Like, and look at it. It's doing it. 70,000 people a month are searching for this stuff. It's probably going to be doing pretty well. Ping pong tablecloth. Okay, so I'm not saying that you're going to find your product in 5 minutes. It might be 10 minutes. It might be 30 minutes. It might be an hour. But it is so powerful. You know why? Because Jungle Scout has enormous amounts of data, but Jungle Scout's web app doesn't have all the data. So the fact that we found this product, maybe Jungle Scout doesn't even have this product in their database. So if you can find it through Merchant Words, like, you're already ahead of the game and nobody knows about it. So powerful. So I guess that's it. I hope this video helped you guys out. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm posting content out the ass. Like I always say, I want to help you guys out. That is why I made this damn YouTube channel in the first place. I'm running other businesses, I'm doing other things, but I take the time to help make these videos because you guys inspire me to make these videos, because I see how much it's benefiting you guys to get started. And you're like, I'm watching all these other videos, but they're not trying to show us how to do it. Like, well, I want to be that person that shows you how to do it, because I understand the business model so well, and I want you guys to understand it too, so that you guys can reap the rewards, reap the benefits, take action, and start making revenue, start making profit, leave your 9-to-5 job, whatever your goals are. It is possible with this business model. So hope this video helped you guys out. Hope that you guys were able to see the enormous opportunity that there is with this product research technique. I honestly don't believe that anyone's ever showed this technique. I believe I'm the first one. Probably people are going to steal this idea. Totally okay, I don't care. As long as it's helping people, that's all that matters to me. So anyway, hope this helped you guys out. If you have any